Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Drugs. First, what is GABA? GABA is an endogenous agonist. It is an endogenous agonist which acts on GABA A receptors. It acts on GABA A receptors. And thus, when it activates GABA A receptors, it will promote or activate chloride influx. Then, the drug is muscimol. Muscimol is also an agonist at GABA B receptors. It is an agonist at GABA A site. It is also an agonist at GABA A site. Then we have BQ-culin. BQ-culin is an antagonist. It is actually a competitive antagonist which is present or which is seen at GABA B receptor. No, it is GABA A receptor only. Even the muscimol is an agonist at GABA A receptor. Butyculin is also a competitive antagonist at GABA A receptor. Then picrotoxin. Picrotoxin will actually block the chloride channels, but this blockade of picrotoxin, the blockade of chloride channels by picrotoxin is by non-competitive blockade. Then we have barbiturates. Barbiturates are actually agonist at an allosteric site. They are agonist at allosteric site, and these barbiturates will also prolong the GABA action, and these barbiturates also open the chloride channels. Then alcohol and other inhalational agents. We have alcohol and other inhalational anesthetics. Alcohol, other inhalational anesthetics open the chloride channels directly, and they also have these alcohol and inhalational anesthetics open the chloride channels directly, and they have allosteric facilitation of the GABA receptors. Then we have the drug benzodiazepines. Okay, benzodiazepines are actually agonist at an allosteric benzodiazepine site. So these are agonist at allosteric benzodiazepine site, and they also facilitate the GABA action. Then we have beta carbolins. These beta carbolins are actually the inverse agonists at the benzodiazepine site, and they will also impede the GABA action. Then we have flumazenil. Flumazenil is actually a competitive antagonist at benzodiazepine site, and this flumazenil is used as an antidote for benzodiazepines. Especially it is used in benzodiazepine poisoning.
thank you and thank you for watching.